you need to form a big wide circle or isang malaking bilog. So, hawak-hawak tayo kids. And then, pumawa tayo lang sa malaking bilog. Ayan, hawak-hawak. Alright, so malaking bilog kids. Alright, form a big wide circle. Ulo-ulo tayo kids. Alright, get ready! Ayan o, okay na yan. Siyempre, kailangan dapat, ngayon naman, nakababa na yung hands. So, put your hands down, kids. Baba na yung kamay. Alright, siyempre, kids, bago mo explain yung mechanics ng game, tatanungin muna kayo ni Kuya Ben. Alright? Kids, lahat ba kayo marunong sumayaw, kids? Alam mo ikaw, marunong ka bang sumayaw?
Naka-video ka?
Ayan, sorry kids! Lahat ba kayo marunong sumayaw, kids? Alam niyo po yung siyaw ng Gimme Dance? Ayan, syempre, mamaya kailangan yung kids, kailangan nilang pag-shake. Kailangan nilang igalaw yung katawan nyo na parang si Johnny D na dating maya-maya lang. Alright, kids, ang kailangan, magigimi-gimi kayo, kids. Alright, Johnny kids, are you ready? Dami para mahina, Johnny kids, I want to hear you. Are you ready? Alright, if you're ready, kids, just gimme, shake your body. Go! Go! Alright, December, ang hindi nagdadans ng Gimme Dance, matatanggal na agad. Alright, kaya kailangan kids, lahat kayo sasay ng Gimme para hindi kayo matanggal. Yan ha? Alright, kids, everybody, dance Gimme now! Shake! Wala nang matatanggal sa inyo. Okay, so ito lang yung mechanics na natin. Okay, kids ha? Siyempre, kailangan nilang ipasa yung bola or yung balloon right side or sa mga katabi nyo habang sumasayo kayo ng Gimme Dance. Alright ha? Get ready! Shake! Ayan, syempre kids, kapag nag-stop yung music, kung sino yung may hawak ng balloon, siya yung matatanggal. Ayan ha? Pero dahil Joker, sample ko lang yan. Ayan, sample ko lang yun. Alright ha? Kaya kids, lahat kayo nag-Gimme Dance. Alright. John is are you ready? How about you, are you ready? Alright, get ready! Shake! Get ready! Back to the ring, go! Ayun na, kids! Alright! Go! Ayan, tricky girl! Better luck next time, alright? Ayan, get ready! Everybody, shake!